I want to kickstart the week by talking about the tax implications on the repairs and or improvements that you make on the location of the building that you own as a spa owner or as a wellness business owner. First of all, you have to own the location where you're operating your business, and the repairs that you make to it are fully deductible, 100%. Which means that all those fixing, for instance, you probably have to repair the massage table because it broke, or you have to put wallpaper on the walls, repaint the entire building. Those are considered repairs that you can expense or write off in the year that you expense them. Now, when it comes to the improvements, that has another treatment. And the treatment for that is that when you make improvements such as replacing the roof, maybe you went through one of the hurricanes that affected the United States, and you are in a location that was affected. Well, the roof that you replaced on your building has to be depreciated, because now we're talking about an increase in value on the property, and it cannot be fully expensed in the year it happened, in the year you are taking the expense. Another improvement could be you have to build another room for providing massage or facials, or just for therapy if that's if you're in the wellness business. Those are improvements that will increase the value of the property, as I said before, and will have to be depreciated over the course of 39 years, which is the same number of years that you depreciate the building where you have your business. Knowing the difference between repairs and improvements puts you in an advantageous position, because as the year comes to an end, you can now take advantage of these deductions if you have to make a major improvement, if you're considering about making an addition, maybe building another bathroom. Well, this is the time to do it if you can get it done before December 31st, if your business is under the cash method of accounting. If you want to understand better how this works, contact us and we'll be happy to talk to you and to explain how these deductions or the tax implications of what I just spoke about works, and set you up for success. That we're in the business of setting you up for success. Financial fitness transformation for spa and wellness businesses. Vanessa Hogan at Masterpiece Accounting Services. Thank you.